come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. DeFi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me, me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe.
What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is DeFi bully. You already know the drill. Unfortunately, I have some bad news. It seems like another project has bitten the dust. Seems like BUSD Automine may have rugged. That's the scary parts of the DeFi world. It's Wild Wild West out here. We gotta do better, but there is a lot of things that's coming to this whole ecosystem of DeFi that's supposed to help crack down on some of these things that's going on outside of control. I know Truth Seekers, they're working on something. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with the YouTube channel, but he's coming out with a truth token. I'm gonna go deeper into that maybe in another video. But before we go look at what's going on with this BUSD Automine, do me a favor, head over to the YouTube channel. You know the vibes. Like this video, engage the notification bell, engage with the video, and then marry the subscribe button. I need to figure out a more organized way of saying that. But yeah, marry the subscribe button. Now let's head over to here at the DeFi bully. Let's head over to here at BUSD Automine, people. All right, and see what's going on. The TVL has been at 40,228 since earlier today. I'm very surprised nobody's done a video on this, you know? Very surprised nobody done a video on this. What I would suggest you guys do is not do what I'm doing right now. Do not connect to this page. I'm just going to do this really fast just to show you guys what's going on. And then I'm going to disconnect my wallet and unconnect from the site from my MetaMask wallet. All right. So if you go here to, you see the TVL is right here. It dropped down tremendously. I believe before it was like over 300,000, if I'm correct. It was up there. So that dropped a lot. Okay. You see I reached actually 21% in mine, and if I press collect right now, nothing happens, people. If I press collect, I don't even know if I should even be. Do not do this, people. You don't want to be interacting with this contract right now. I'm putting myself at risk even trying this, and I'm not sure if this is real, but I seen this after the so-called the rug of this project. I seen some referrals showing up. I'm like, what is going on? I hope nobody's joining under my under this after it rugged. And I did delete those videos that I had. I deleted the previous video that I had on BUSD Automine. As you see, nothing happened. Okay, nothing happening. Same thing when I try to unstake or even collect these. Nothing happens. So people, do yourselves a favor and go to your MetaMask wallet. I'm not sure if you can see this part. Press those three little dots right here and go to connected sites and disconnect from BUSD Automine, people. Another one bites the dust. Like I said, there's a lot of new things that I want to talk about probably in another video, where there's a new project coming out to kind of crack down on these and more, and hold these devs and the creators of these projects more accountable. Giving them a full KYC, find out who they are, putting their real identity out there so they take these things more serious, because this is people's money and I'm getting sick and tired of it. As me as a YouTuber, I got to invest in a lot of these videos, and a lot of these are out of my own pocket. Like this, I invested out of my own pocket. I didn't get paid for this or anything like that. So seeing these things rug, it's not just, oh, YouTuber. Nah, I'm not even monetized yet. I mean, I'm putting my own money up. I'm losing just like the next person. So I'm upset, and I want to take the due diligence like I want you guys to with future projects, just to find out if everything is moving properly. Now, the Telegram group has been deleted as well. If you try to go to the Telegram group, it says username not found. So that is gone, people. All right. Yep, that is gone. Their Telegram group is gone. BUSD Automine is out of here, people. All right, just want to give you guys a quick update on that. Do not engage with this contract. Do not connect to the site. Do not engage with the contract. Do not engage with the site. We don't know what's going on. There could be some scammers, some hackers running through things. So and I doubt if it wasn't an intentional rug, why would a Telegram group completely delete unless they were attacked? But I'm not gonna try to find out by putting myself at risk. So you guys stay on top of things. I'm just here to let you know that this is down and it's out. If you guys lost money or something, comment down below. Maybe tell your story. Or we could see where we could invest in something more dependable, reliable. Maybe and as you guys know, BUSD Automine was a fork of Wealth Mountain, and if you guys know, Wealth Mountain has actually been doing really good. Okay, their TVL is through the roof, over 2 million, which is wild. And they have support for different chains: Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Polygon, Phantom. And it's pretty much the same thing as that BUSD Automine, except for is 0.5 of a percentage less for the days. Okay, still paying out a good amount, up to 5% daily. Same method as BUSD Automine. It is something good to look into. I'll probably throw some money into this one in another video and show you guys how this is going. Sometimes it's better to stick with the original and forget those forks. Sometimes there's a lot of money to be made early on in the forks. We just got to do our due diligence and stay on top of things. We are responsible for our own bag. This is DeFi. I'm not a financial advisor. I'll let you guys know that before even investing in that BUSD Automine. Well, I'm upset about it too, like I said. But I'm not going to stretch this on too long. I just wanted to give a quick update on this project. Which is the BUSD Automine. Let people know that it's rugged. It is rugged. Do not engage. And that we're probably jumping in this Wealth Mountain next. Okay. And in another video, talk more about the Truth token that's supposed to be coming out. All right. You guys stay blessed. Y'all stay safe. I'm Nasa Ben Kabi, not a financial advisor.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.